Yes, welcome to the post-market analysis on 19th of December. So let me share the screen. Yes, looking to Nifty. Let's start from the daily time frame. Okay, so we have our key levels which is already marked. Post-market analysis on 19th of December. Yeah. So it was actually a kind of a surprise that happened today. So we were actually expecting a sideways or a kind of a sluggish market within the ranges which we already mentioned last day. So the ranges was 25,757 in between 25,757, 25,848 or 850. So that was the level which I was actually expecting the market to move today. But again, the news, the overnight news from the US inflation about the US inflation rates that again influence the overall market, especially the Asian markets too. So today we had seen a kind of a gap up opening near to 100 points up, and after that the market was on a range of again near to an 80 to 85 points range. So that's what happened from 25,900 to 25. It didn't reach the level of 26,000. Okay, so 26,000 was the nearest resistance that we were expecting, but it didn't reach. And on the so let's look onto the daily time frame again. So on the daily time frame, okay, on the daily time frame again we had seen the market was actually bouncing back. Okay, the market was actually the bouncing back from this level. So 25,757 was a kind of support, and the bounce back is bit stronger than we expected, because the reasons are pretty simple. The FIAs are also again coming back with good strength of buying, and so obviously the DAs are on the buying side with 2,525 crore, but the FIs are with near to 600 crore rupees. So that again makes the market much positive, and technically we are again seeing a bounce back from this level, and we'll be seeing the 26,000 levels will be crossing easily on the upcoming week. Looking onto the Bank Nifty, okay, so we were actually seeing a kind of inverted hammer on the daily time frame on Bank Nifty, which was on a level of a good support. And here again we can see on today's candle again closed on the green side. Okay, so the daily candle had closed on the green, but here it's on the red. It closed, and irrespective of again you can see it was a slight gap up, but the market was overall on a consolidation, and we were actually expecting this breakout to move further more from the day high. But again afternoon the day high got again acted as a resistance, and it again comes down. Okay, that's what happened on Bank Nifty. And looking on to Reliance, okay, Reliance really performed well today, near to 1.3%, and the high was created near to 2% moment. It had created Reliance, so that again contributes to the moment of our vintage. On HDFC Bank we had actually seen a good volatile day to both the sides. On ICICI again on a sluggish side. Okay, so HDFC was really good, and followed by Reliance. We also seen the Max Healthcare. Okay, so Max Healthcare was also performing good. Max Healthcare again performed well. We have from the IT we have TCS. So looking into the sectors. Okay, so I just forgot about that. The auto sector, the realty sector also performed very well. Okay, the realty sector performed near to 1.67%, the auto near to 1.23%, mid cap and small cap also was performing, or they were also in contributed to the rally. Nifty small cap made near to 1.3%, which was very rare to see in our past couple of weeks. Looking to the USD INR, the USD INR is now again it marked below 90 rupees, and still technically we need to bit more comes down. Okay, so it is still holding the levels towards the bullish side. Again we'll be seeing the correction on the Indian markets parallelly. Okay. So that's it. Okay, so regarding the Mondays. Okay, So regarding the movement on Monday, okay, what I'm expecting is again the bullishness on the market, and again we need to wait for the news that will be coming in this weekend. So the US inflation data was something on which the FIs were very much skeptical about, but it was really positive, and it really supports, it will really supports the overall the market as well. Okay, and on the technical also we can see the 26,000 levels is again crucial on Nifty, and towards bottom 25,850 will be another level. Okay, so 26,000 will be crossing with much easier. Okay, and next 56,200 59,200 will be the main level on Bank Nifty. Okay, and looking to VIX, no more changes, and it's still holding below 9. Okay, so that's the view on the Nifty and Bank Nifty. So looking on to the overall week, okay, the weekly candle is still on to the bullish side. Looking since Monday, so the Monday closed on green, but followed by that we've seen a correction and now a bounce back on Bank Nifty. Also starting from Monday we had seen a kind of correction. Okay, it again created a kind of an equal bottom around this region, and it again bounced back. Okay, so again overall it looks overall feels like the market will be again bouncing back or gaining its strength from this region. Okay, so that's the view for the next week. We'll be seeing you on the pre-market on Monday.